Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a fantastic summer. I am so excited. I've started getting some of my boxes in. I'm going to tape a bunch of them today, but one of the ones I wanted to get into pretty quickly is this one. And it is my Boxycharm Premium, so let's check it out because I have a couple add-ons too. Middle box in what Boxycharm offers. It is $35. You generally get 6 products. This month is awesome because they did a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're gonna open this up and then we'll check out what I've got for add-ons. I was so excited when they said that they were doing this collab. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. I use several of her products. I've used lippies that I've loved, eye products that I've loved, eyebrow products that I've loved. I like a lot of what she does. So this is a very exciting collab for me. Not just because the inside is purple and goes so nicely with my room. I'm sure they did that just for me. And it says the Boxycharm Premium X Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab. On top we have the paperwork. We don't know exactly what we're gonna get, although I do see a couple of the things that I got because there were several variations out there even within this. There are a couple of things though that I do know that are in here because I picked them. So we will get into that in a minute. I couldn't do try-ons today because I'm gonna do too many boxes because I'm so far behind because of FabFitFun spoilers. Still good though. But this is the one that makes me the saddest that we're not doing a try-on, but we'll get to that in a couple minutes. This is what the paperwork looks like, and it says Boxycharm Premium X Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have variation 240. I don't believe there are 240 variations, although I could be wrong. There could have been, 50 lippy colors. I don't know. Before we dig in, I'm just gonna say all of my products are laid out here on top, and I won't use the word disappointed because I have a box of Anastasia Beverly Hills that cost me $35. I'm not disappointed, but a lot of people got the Anastasia Dewy Skin Mist, and the only reason I wanted that is because I love it. It's something that I use it to go on, and I was just kind of hoping to refill stock. Now, I know that's kind of not the point of these boxes. The point is to try new things, which I will, but kind of sad that I don't have the facial mist that's my favorite. Okay, I'm over it. Right on top, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills False Lashes. It doesn't say if they have a name. All right. That is what they look like. And the paperwork says, oh, they do have a name, Snazzy. The paperwork says Snazzy is a set of fanned out, fluttery, full strip synthetic lashes with subtle intensity. False Lashes by Anastasia Beverly Hills are premium quality lashes that provide comfortable wear and deliver maximum impact. These lightweight, high quality lashes are easy to apply and adhere to your lash line in seconds. Add volume, length, and thickness to your lash look with ease, making mascara optional. No matter your style, these lashes remain undetectable. Blending in with your natural lash line, each set provides up to 20 wears. They're only $12. What a bargain. They are fine. Can you guys tell that? They're really thin but really long. Still haven't done false lashes. I keep saying I'm going to, but I still keep not doing it. Okay, next out of the box, I have the Anastasia Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. Well, I use, is it hers? It's hers, right? The Brow Wiz? That's Anastasia, right? Well, now I'm wondering. I think it's the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Let me know below. This is her other liner. It is very pretty. It is triangular on one side, and that is what it looks like. I am not gonna swatch this because I just swatched one in a video the other day, and I'm gonna set this aside so I don't wanna start using it. The other side, we have the spoolie, and I received it in medium brown. Actually, I was just putting together a box for a niece of mine that is getting married. I should check with her and see if she can wear medium brown, and I should tuck this in. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer with a $23 value. It says all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define, detail, and fill in the eyebrows. Featuring 3 different sized edges, this pencil delivers the ultimate application versatility with ease, while the custom spoolie end blends for a natural looking finish. Okay, next out of the, oh, it's heavy. What is this? Next out of the box, we have a liquid lipstick. Please don't be a nude. Please don't be a nude. Please don't be a nude. Oh, it's not a nude. Yay. This is what it looks like. It's called Malt. And this says it has a $20 value. Liquid Lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a full pigment liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish. For smudge-proof wearability and long-lasting color, the comfortable formula delivers full coverage wear that creates the appearance of fuller lips that lasts all day. Well, let's see what this color is. Oh, it is very dark. Oh my goodness. That is very dark. I'm not sure that I can work that into my life. I hate that I just swatched it. I only put it on the back of my hand, so I will try and find somebody who I know and love that can wear it. I mean, that's just chocolate brown. For me, that's way too dark. Next out of the box, we have the Anastasia Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. And that is what that looks like. And it's such a heavy, pretty package. It's so, I mean, this is so heavy. This has a $25 value, and it says get maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with Anastasia's Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The jet black, easy to apply formula instantly creates dramatic, full volume, defined lashes, while the specially designed hourglass-shaped wand separately coats each lash without ever weighing them down. Wow, that is a huge brush. That is what that looks like. I'm gonna poke that right back in there in case I want to find this a home, because I have to tell you, I have become pretty darn loyal to the Thrive Lash Extensions mascara. I mean, I feel pretty loyal to it. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer, and I chose this. And I chose it in, it does not tell me. I did choose it though, because I went onto the site to pick my color. I picked, I think probably, go out here with me on this limb. Oh, there it is. I picked Rosewood. I think it was the lightest one. Because, oh, when we take it out, it's really pretty packaging. I will never get this across, but when you look at it, it just looks dark. But, oh yeah, you go. But if you put it on an angle, you can see all the little ABH logos underneath. That is so cool. Oh, I think it's usable. I'm so happy. That is what it looks like. It's got a really nice feel to it, a silky feel. Oh, absolutely I can wear that. That is gonna be such a pretty bronzer. I like that a lot. All right, now I'm super excited. And that's the beauty of Boxycharm. With Premium, we generally have 2 choices. With our base box, we have 1. But you know, if you get to choose one of the items, that's probably gonna cover the cost of your box right there. And then the things that you're gonna pass along or wouldn't necessarily have chosen to try, they're basically free if you like the other items. And I have something else in here that way more than covered the price of the box. This powdered bronzer has a $28 value, and it says it is finely milled powder that provides a natural looking matte finish with buildable coverage. This powdered bronzer feels weightless on the face and body and blends seamlessly to add warmth for a sun-kissed look. $28. And I chose this one even though it had a warm feel to it, because I think even with my skin as pale as it is, and as cool as it is, if I use a bronzer or even a contour, if I use any of those that are cool, I almost just look dirty. It almost looks, I think bronzers need to be warm even on my skin. So I think that that will be perfect. Okay, drum roll please. And you guys have probably seen this 1,000 times because my box came so late. But the other item that I chose is in this big box, and it is the Norvina palette. Palettes were our choice, and there were 2 of the Norvina palettes we could choose from. This is volume 1, I think it's volume 1, that I chose. And I think the other one was volume 3. Well, spoiler alert, that's what's in my add-on box, because it was like $28, and I thought, okay, this is a $60 palette. So this is a $35 box for everything that you just saw me open, and this is a $60 palette. So even if you only wanted this for $35, it's a good deal. In all fairness, I think in add-ons, I only paid $28. That was an incredible deal too. So I went ahead, because I have never owned, as much as I love Anastasia, I have never owned any of these Norvina palettes. And in case you don't know, Norvina is her daughter. These palettes tend to be more pigment than eyeshadow, and there is a difference. These are the ones where, and it will probably come up if you pick them up and you read the back, several of these items, it says, not intended for use around the eyes. I think one of the things they say is it could cause an allergy. It's enter at your own risk, but a lot of the Norvina colors are pigments, not shadows. All right, enough talking. We are going to open this up. It is plastic, I think. I don't think it's metal, but it feels really nice. It's a nice hard case. Oh, so pretty. The top, the whole top is a mirror. It's gorgeous. I'm not gonna blind you with that. Take my little card and cover it up mostly and show you. How gorgeous is that? How much do I wish that we were doing a try on right now? I wish it a lot. That is so, I mean, I hope this is coming across. This hot pink is like that Fenty lippy, that hot pink lippy that I've been wearing. It is gorgeous. We've got mattes, we've got shimmers, crazy colors, darker purples, hot pinks. We've got some really normal-ish colors. There's a lot to play with in this. Let's see what it says about it, and then we will swatch just a few of the colors. This is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1, carefully curated by Norvina herself. This is a professional-grade artistry palette featuring 25 deluxe-sized, high-performance shades with maximum payoff. And it says right on this card, A2, A3, A5, B1, 3, 4, 5, C4, 5, D2, 3, 4, 5, E1, 2, 4, and 5 are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. $60 value, just so you know. You will be seeing me in looks with this with, I mean, that's half the palette. I will be using those colors and I will be using them on my eyes. Okay, well, we're gonna swatch, like, let's look at, oh, so creamy. Let's look at that hot pink. Oh my goodness. I took one swatch in that hot pink. I guarantee you, because it's always the pinks and reds, I can guarantee you this is one of the ones that they say is not intended for use immediately around your eye area. But look how pretty that is. And I'm gonna get in one of these purples because we need to see what their purples look like. See the purple right next to the pink? These are so pretty with a really natural eye and just a pop of color. Let's get into this pink. And what should we try? Let's try this coral. I have one, I have a Viseart coral that is very near that color, but that is gorgeous. That's what those two that I just picked up look like. Oh, the shimmer. Oh my gosh. Her shimmers are amazing. Look at that. So this is the coral and that shimmer. So hopefully, once we get all these boxes that I have received in the last few days, all of my July boxes came at the end of the month. I don't know what's happening. It's like my name is on a list. St. Catherine's last. But once we get through the boxes, I think we'll circle back and do a try on with this because it is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. I just went to wipe off all those shadows. Can you see from there where I had that pink? My hand, I already used a wipe that I had started using before, and then this is my second clean one. And I really, and even I can tell in all this lighting that right here and right here, I still have pink. So there is a really good shot that that could stain around your eye. So that is my variation of the Anastasia box. I got the ABH Norvina Volume 1. This is what I chose, and this pretty rosewood bronzer. So these two products alone, you could go right now and buy them at Sephora. They have an $88 value. This is a $35 box. And then on top of that, I have false lashes, a mascara, this very brown lippy, and this medium brown brow. Because I can't be forced into picking, and I opened up the other box already, they wanted us to pick between Volume 1 and Volume 3. Well, this is Volume 3. I did it in the add-on, so let's check this out. And I also chose in the add-ons just an Honest Beauty lip crayon. And it's just a little demi lip crayon that I got to stick in my purse because I'm trying not to, what I use out there when I'm touching strangers and everything else, I'm trying not to bring in and then sit back on my vanity. So I thought this would be really cute for in my purse. Oh, it's sealed. I was gonna say first, let's just check out this little lippy. But it is sealed. In the back of the box says, lips get a high impact color and moisture locking upgrade with our demi matte crayon made with a conditioning blend of jojoba seed oil, murumuru, and shea butters. And I chose it in color melon. Did I? I must have. This is what it looks like. And I will just swatch this color. Oh, it's pretty. I like it a lot. That is a very nice color. It's really got a lot of moisture to it. This is like my third video. I'm just gonna keep adding to my lips. Very nice and creamy. I like it a lot. I don't know that it made any difference in what you can see in my lips. I can tell that it added a little melony color to it, but I like it. Unfortunately, I can't tell if it smells like anything. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the price of my box. The value in my box was $168 for $35. Okay, and my other add-on, and I believe this was $25 in the add-on sale, is the Norvina Pro Palette Volume 3. This is not one that I ever considered for full price. The purple one was, because you guys know I love pinks and purples. This one, I'll show you why, I never really considered as a full-priced item because it is very warm. Let me cover that up. It has a lot of oranges and deeper browns. It's leaning toward colors that aren't necessarily my go-tos, but for $28, there's a lot of green in here, and this one is kind of pink, and there's some beiges, and we got purples. There's plenty in that color story that appeals to me too. But when it was a $60 palette and the overarching feel, which now that I'm holding it in my hand was silly, was very orange for me. And I would say this one, and this one are the only real orangey ones. Now there are a couple like this grouping here that has a warm feel, but I wear a lot of warm neutrals. Anyway, let's swatch a couple of these fun colors. Like, oh my goodness, try and keep this mirror covered. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is just like a lime green. How awesome is that? Let's look at this green. You know I'm going for the greens. Look at those two together. Those are so fun. My instinct, you know what? Let's just we'll do a green hand and then we'll circle back and pick some more up. So pretty. Well, we might as well get this dark one up here. Those are so pretty. I love them. Let's see how they swatch. Oops, still have that little lippy on. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. This first one, which is kind of the acid yellow green. Wow, these are much brighter in person. Those are so pretty. I like them a lot. I think this one might be my favorite. Was the third one, A4. And I'm sure I will check the back of the box in a second, but I'm sure that there are quite a few in this that are also pigments, not shadows, so they will probably say not for use near your eye. Actually, it does have it on the back. A235, B345, C234, D1245, and E1235 are not intended for use around your eyes, so enter at your own risk. I want to try this. All right, well, it's green. I thought we were gonna get away from the greens. We're just not. I'm gonna do this on my wrist. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. My hand is still a little wet. Let's try this traffic cone orange we have up top. This is one that I would definitely, oh, so pretty. It matches the palette. How great would that be in the fall? That would be so pretty. Let's do this purple shimmer. The shimmers, the feel on the shimmers is just, it's just incredibly creamy, gorgeous. I think that purple and that orange almost look good together. I'm not sure how you'd work them into a look. I'm sure somebody far more talented than I could do that, but these are gorgeous. That is what I did for my add-ons for the July Boxycharm X Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab. I wanted to have both of the shadow palettes. Moving forward, I will do a try-on with these. Let me know below what you'd like to see me play with first. The one with the greens or the one with the purples. Just let me know which one you guys lean toward, and that's the one that we'll do first as a try-on. What did you think of my variation? Cards on the table. I saw other variations that I liked better. I did. But I am so happy with my palette and my bronzer that the others are bonuses. I am very happy to be trying them. I keep saying, I'm gonna try false lashes. Maybe when we do the try-on, that's what we'll do. When I do the try-on of whichever palette we decide, we'll put these lashes on. I'm sure it will be no problem at all. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I hope you are having a fantastic day. I can't wait to see you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.